In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your digital creations as a PNG file, a format widely revered for its clarity and versatility. Whether you're working on a vibrant artwork, a photo edit, or a graphic design that you'll be showcasing online, being familiar with saving your work in this format will be invaluable. Let's start by making sure your image is primed and ready. If your design calls for transparency, such as when you want to overlay the image on different backgrounds without any surrounding color, this is the time to hide or remove the background layer. Most graphic design software allows you to see a checkered pattern underneath your artwork when it's truly transparent. Always double-check to ensure your entire image is prepared exactly as you desire. Once your image is ready, it's time to move on to exporting it. Head over to the menu bar at the top of your window and select File. Depending on the software you're using, the location or exact wording may vary slightly, but aim to look for the Export option. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Quick Export as PNG. This function is a swift and efficient way to save your file in the PNG format directly without any additional fuss or configurations. Next up, you'll need to decide where you want to save your file. Your computer will prompt you to choose a destination folder. Think about where it'll be easiest for you to find the file later. You might want to save it to your desktop for quick access, or perhaps in a specific project folder alongside related files. Once you've made your choice, simply click the Save button. Ensure you have a clear naming convention so the file is easily identifiable, especially if you're saving multiple versions or iterations of your project. And just like that, your file is saved as a PNG. PNG files are particularly useful not only for maintaining the high quality of your images, but also for supporting transparent backgrounds, making them integral for web graphics and design flexibility. Lastly, if you're planning to upload the image somewhere online, it's sometimes beneficial to check its file size and adjust if necessary to ensure quick loading times. Congratulations! You've successfully exported your image. Embrace this simple yet infinitely useful skill to enhance your creative workflow. Hopefully, this guide makes exporting your work as straightforward as possible, paving the way for beautifully crafted images ready for any context you might have in mind.